Hi guys, I'm Max Weinbach with XDA TV, and today I'm going to be unboxing the LG V60 dual screen. This is LG's newest flagship with their nice dual screen, and it's also 5G. So, let's get started. So as I did mention, this is the LG V60 Thinq 5G. This model right here is actually the T-Mobile unit. LG just sent this out to me today. I literally just got it, and I haven't actually opened it yet, so we get an unboxing from it. Now, the base specs, it's a Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 64 megapixel camera with an ultra-wide as well. You can do 8K HDR video at 24 FPS. You know, it's basic 2020 flagship. Now, normally when we're talking a flagship like that, we have something like the Galaxy S20, right? This phone, $1,400. It's expensive, but it can do everything this phone can. But here's the thing. This phone, it's like $800 with the dual screen, $800 without the dual screen, $900 with it. And if you have Verizon, it is $950 with the dual screen and $850 without, because they have a custom version called the LG V60 Thinq 5G Ultra Wideband for millimeter wave 5G. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, but let's get into the actual unboxing here. So my box comes with the dual screen and the V60 5G. Now I do have the T-Mobile version, as I mentioned, since I'm in the US. So we have a sleeve with this and T-Mobile 5G. Alright, so let's open up this one first. I did actually cut all of the labels, but didn't unbox it yet. So in the dual screen box, we have instructions on how to install the dual screen and then just some plastic around it. So let's take the plastic off. And put that off to the side, and here we actually have just the dual screen. Has a little foam and the quick start guide, and then the charging adapter. I really like this charging adapter because it's kind of a magnet, so it's fun. It also kind of works like a MagSafe thing from the old Macs. It's pretty nice. And here we have how to turn it on and the quick start guide. It's pretty simple, so I'll just put all this stuff here and move it off to the side and put that down. Now for the V60 itself, just some normal stuff, that is some other normal stuff, and we can open it. So here we have a microfiber cloth. I like these on phones. They're kind of necessary with all glass phones. It's nice LG has one here. Then here we have the actual phone. Now I do have the blue version, so it's gold on the side, blue on the back. And here, can't remove the back cover, IMEI stuff. Plastic. So let me just turn this on and put it down. And in the rest of the box, we have a second year promise for warranty, which is nice. I actually kind of like that one. So it's a premium device. They want to give you a second year warranty. Again, it's a T-Mobile version, T-Mobile software. And here, I'm assuming this is like manuals, and then it looks like it has the SIM card tool as well. Yep. T-Mobile, SIM card tool, quick start guide, terms and conditions. Just put all of that away. Now, this did come with a SIM card in the box, but I took that out. And yeah, most people already have a SIM card, but if not, and you're just getting this in a carrier store, you might as well have them switch it. Swapping your SIM every once in a while isn't a bad thing. Then we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C fast charger. Now, I do believe this is so this is a 25-watt fast charger. Fast charger, 25 watts. And I do believe this uses Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus, which is pretty fast. Not a complaint. And then, yeah, we can just take that out, put that over there. So let me just move that away for the moment, and we can start up the phone. I'll just leave the stickers on for a second. Now, the start process. So we have the second screen. So LG calls the notch and their top the second screen, where basically you can hide it or show it. Generally, I actually like to show it. Let me just skip all this stuff, sign in, and then I'll be right back. So during the setup process, I actually came to this screen. That's why I'm coming back. You can see here from Google, it wants to install 2 apps, Google Keep, Google News. From LG, Tubi, and then Free Movies and TV, which I believe is just they show ads and do stuff. That is from LG. And then from T-Mobile, T-Mobile Name ID, Visual Voicemail, and McAfee. Now, I can't not download these. These are required. So while it's setting up and finishing the setup, it's going to install those in the background. And now here's the thing. Also, I'm just going to agree to everything. Right? Here's the thing. T-Mobile asks for device. I'm just going to decline that one. And then home screen, let's go in app drawer. Right? All right. So now we are set up. But here's the thing. I don't like bloatware. No one likes bloatware. So let's just go through and see how much we have, because that's always a fun little game to play. So, on just the second screen, right? This is just second screen bloatware. We have the essentials. Contacts, Clark, calendar, music, calculator, Thinq, LG Health, HD audio recorder, FM radio, and LG Pay. Then we have management with Update Center, Smart Cleaning, LG Mobile Switch, App Trash, and LG Smart World. Next, we have the dual screen apps with Whale for LG Dual Screen, Asphalt 9, Modern Combat 5, DHS, and Sniper Fury. After that, we have T-Mobile apps with Mobile Hotspot, T-Mobile Name ID, and Visual Voicemail. Then we have Quick Help, Game Launcher, Booking.com Hotels, Nebo for LG, T-Mobile Play, McAfee, and Tubi. Now, that's a lot of bloatware for T-Mobile. But here's the thing. AT&T's worse. Apparently there are like 18 or more AT&T apps that come pre-installed. This is not great. This is a lot of bloatware in my opinion. But AT&T is worse. And now, there are 2 people to blame for this. LG and T-Mobile. T-Mobile asked for it, they do it. But T-Mobile's apps really aren't that bad. LG is the one that includes the rest, and it's really annoying. I don't really want, 200, or not 200, but I don't want all these apps pre-installed. It's definitely annoying. But after complaining about that, first impressions are pretty good. We have an integrated search here. We have Android 10, so we have the new gestures with Google Assistant and everything. The UI reminds me a lot of One UI, which isn't a bad thing. I do like it. And something, which is an LG classic, which I know a lot of people like, and everyone's going to like it here. We got a headphone jack. And stereo speakers. So there is a headphone jack, there's stereo speakers, it's an underscreen fingerprint scanner. It's all around a 2020 flagship, and I really do like it. If you want to see what the dual screen looks like, we can actually put that in for a second. You just shove it in the case. I'll put that off to the side. Open it, and then here we can turn it on. And it's basically a second phone. So if you were to take a phone and tape a second phone to the side, that is what you would have here. It's not bad. It's kind of useful. And something I didn't actually know you could do, let me also just turn up the screen brightness a little, something I didn't know you could do. You can set widgets on the second screen here. So you can change the wallpaper for it, you can change widgets, you can do whatever you want here. So I can bring down, let's say, the Google at-a-glance widget. Shove it right at the top, becomes a lot more useful. I did not know you could do that with one.
Have to unlock your phone.
That's my bad. Google Assistant is annoying. So, yeah, we can do that. And then when we close it, the screen turns off, and we have a second screen here to show notifications, battery, time, and date. Now, that isn't an always-on display. It will turn on and off after a certain amount of time, but it's cool. And the back here is a little bit more ridged. It feels a little bit more durable and easier to grip than the old versions of it. And there's not a giant cutout. It's literally only for the camera. Now, when we're using it, we can fold it all the way around, and it becomes a little bit more useful here. And up here, we have the T-Mobile and Google Now page. It's interesting. But all in all, this is a good... my apologies. This is a good... it's a good phone. Again, this is just an unboxing, kind of first impressions of it. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think of this phone and what other content you want to see on it. I'll be happy to make it for you guys and just show off this phone in all of its dual screen headphone jack Snapdragon 865 glory. So, again, thank you for watching.